Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an absolutely wonderful day. Thank you so much for taking a few minutes to come hang out with me. Again, I do hope you all have had a fabulous day. And if you are new, please consider hitting subscribe. I'd love to have you join our YouTube family. As always, if you do enjoy the video, please give me a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. I love hearing from you guys. But I'm excited because today, as you can see from the description below, I have my March 2019 Birchbox. I'm really happy to see what is in here. I actually really enjoy Birchbox. I don't think it gets all the credit that it really is due. For those of you that do not know, Birchbox is a $10 monthly beauty subscription. You do receive 5 sample size, deluxe size sample beauty items every month. They have the one thing about Birchbox that I do really enjoy is they will send you an email just before the current month is over so that you can decide if you want them to curate a box strictly based off of your profile. If you want a box from your profile but yet you can select like one of the samples you receive. They'll give you like 3 to choose from, or you can choose the month's curated box and you will actually be able to see everything that is in it. Now, this is the very first time I have ever gone with the actual monthly curated box. So this is not based off of my profile this month. There's one particular product in here is the main well, 2 actually, I take that back, 2 I think. Honestly, I don't really remember everything that's in here. I know 2, and they were the 2 that kind of caught my attention, but I don't remember what else was in here. So, but they caught my attention in a good way. One I was actually very surprised for. So we are going to dive in. If you would like to sign up for Birchbox, I will leave a link down below. And yeah, let's get to it. The box is gorgeous. I think it is just so beautiful. And then this like maroon, oh, it's a beautiful box. I do love the box. And so we take the lid off. There's always a card. It does list everything on the back. We'll tell you full-size pricing for the items. And let's see. Invent the reality you want to live. The future starts now. I like that. So I'm going to set that down and pull the first thing I see. And this is one of the items that caught my attention. So this I remember. And this is by Orby. And that is a fantastic brand. And this is their Grandiose Hair Plumping Mousse. So I haven't used a mousse in forever, but I was like, ooh, I really want to give this a try. So this again was one of the items that caught my attention. So I knew this was coming. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We actually have 6 items this month according to this. So this full size is $39. Amp up the volume with this luxe mousse that delivers crunch-free, bouncy body. Work a golf ball sized dollop throughout damp hair, then scrunch. So here's what I want to know, because I'm pretty sure you have to shake it. Shake it up. It says to shake it up. So we're going to shake it up. I want to see what it smells like. I like to know anything I put in my hair. I want to know what it smells like, so I know what my hair smells like, or is going to smell like. So, I can already smell. Oh my goodness, y'all! Oh my gosh, this smells so good. Okay, I could smell it right away. Do I just mousse? Oh, that smells so good. Oh my goodness. It startled me. I know it's been a while. I've been used to mousse forever. That smells so good. Oh, yes. Thank you. That smells so good. Okay. Next, we have... Okay, I do remember this. This is from Model Co. Metallic Eyeshadow Trio. And this says full size is $18. I'm assuming this is full size. 3 complimentary light peach, maroon, and chocolate shades make up this vibrant metallic palette that'll give you a sultry eye look. Okay, this was in our Allure box last month, I think, maybe this same one, and it is gorgeous. Like, these colors, y'all, are so beautiful, and you definitely can tell the shimmer, so the metallic, they are gorgeous. So, but like I said, this was in our Allure box, so that $18 for this little thing. Wow. Okay. So I will be putting this into a future giveaway for one of you guys. So yay. All right. Now let's see. This is from McLaren's Paris Recharge Relaxing Sleep Mask. Full size is $27. This rebalancing mask detoxifies with flower waters and recharges with energizing fig and acerola seed extracts, making your skin glowy by morning. So we'll find out tonight because I'll give it a try. Let's see. It says the perfect balance of fruit and plant extracts for healthy looking skin. Apply before bed every night, 1 to 3 times a week as a sleep mask. No need to rinse. And it says it is vegan. So this is the actual product. And let's see. I just want to smell. See what it smells like. Oh, I like considering it's like a sleeping mask. It like really absorbed nicely into my skin. It does not have much of a smell, which is nice. But it really, I mean, it went in and out and it is like super soft. So it's not very heavy, which I like. So like I said, we'll definitely be giving this bad boy a go tonight. And then we have from Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Botanical Cleansing Oil. Full size is $32. This pure botanical oil to milk cleanser dissolves stubborn makeup without over drying your skin, leaving it utterly clean, balanced, and refreshed. And it is 1.4 ounces. This is actually a good size. So let's see. All right, perfect. It is safety sealed. I will be putting this into a giveaway as well. I just don't really care for cleansing oils. That's just my preference. I sometimes already have oily skin. So even though it's a cleansing oil and it's obviously meant to clean, I just don't like adding anything extra oily to my face. So there is that, again, going into a giveaway for one of you guys. And then we have from Benefit Cosmetics the Bad Gal Bang Bigger Badder Volumizing Mascara. Full size is $25. Now, I've heard great things about this mascara. This water-resistant mascara formula uses one of the lightest known particles in space to weightlessly lighten and lift your lashes for up to 36 hours. Wow. Okay. So this is the packaging. Packaging is actually really cute. I like the pink, the black, the silver. This packaging is cute as well. Oh, there you go. And it's I mean, that's a good size, you know, for a sample mascara. So, but yet again, I have so many mascaras. I don't think I will ever get through them before they probably go bad. So I will be putting this as well into a giveaway for one of you guys to try and enjoy. Just because, like I said, I don't want it to sit and go bad. So I'm going to let one of y'all try this. So that'll go into a giveaway. And now for the final item, and the one that made me choose this curated box. I am super excited because it is a brush. Y'all, I was super, super excited. And this is, again, I'm just getting a rose gold vibe from all of my boxes this month. This is the Luxie Beauty Rose Gold Eye Shading Brush, full size, $12. So this right here, it's worth in the box, not to mention the other 5 products. Use this rose gold brush with soft synthetic bristles that are vegan and hypoallergenic to apply the eyeshadow trio. It can also be used with cream or liquid formulas. So they're talking about the trio that came with the box. I love Luxie brushes. This is the 213 eye shading brush. Y'all, I don't know, can you see that? But it is just a beautiful brush, and that is perfect. It feels so good. So yay, love my brushes. So yeah, I'm really excited. I mean, this right here, like I said, is more than the cost of the box. And then I'm super excited to try this Orbi Mousse and then this sleeping mask, especially, like I said, because it is like lightweight and my skin right here feels amazing from where I just put that little dab. And then 3 products for you guys. The Bad Girl Bang Mascara from Benefit Cosmetics, the Kiehl's Botanical Cleansing Oil, and then the Model & Co. Metallic Eyeshadow Trio. So I'm very happy with the Birchbox for March 2019. Let me know down below what you guys thought. Did you receive this box? Did you go with the curated box? You know, what did you get? And like I said, let me know what you thought of the items I received. I hope you all have a great day, and I will talk with you guys with the next one. Bye.